Want to install Docker on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now you want to search Docker. Then from the search results, select the first one, which is docker.com. Once you get here, click on the developers section. Now select documentation. From here, click on get Docker. Now you will get the download links. Go ahead and select the one for your OS. I'm going to select for Windows. Now I'm going to select the first one here. Wait for some time until it is downloaded. Then locate the file, right click and select open. Here on the configuration page, you can select your preferred settings. Then click on OK. Now the setup will begin. As you can see, it is unpacking the files. Now it is being installed. Once the installation is completed, you need to restart Windows to complete the installation. Click on close and restart. Once that is done, Docker will be successfully installed on your laptop or PC. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.